Hi newbies and vets, welcome to this video. I will be teaching you guys how to do Batments. This is one of the requirements for the audition, so good luck. Let's get started. So how to start Batments is that you get into 4th position. A quick way to get into 4th position is that you go into 3rd position and you step with your right foot forward and shift all your weight onto your right leg. So now you see that my left leg doesn't have all the weight and my right foot is completely planted down. So here, your left foot's heel will be off the ground and only your platform and toes will be on the ground. So now that your feet are in 4th position, you're going to bring your arms up in front of you. You're going to make a circle-like shape if you look down on your arms, and it's going to feel like if you're holding a beach ball, like a big old beach ball, okay? So you want your fingers closed and your thumb in your palm, okay? So that's how we start. Also, you want to make sure that your fingers are not touching. They're a little bit apart, okay? So this is how we set up for Batments. Your feet are in 4th position and your hands are up here like a beach ball. On count 7, 8, you open up into a T position, and here your hands are palm down. Make sure that your thumbs are still in your palm, okay? Hey guys, so one thing that I forgot to mention was the counts. So you're here, ready position, 5 and 6. 5, 6, open 7, 8. On 8, you hit the T position, okay? Next is to start the exercise. You're going to take one jazz step forward, starting with your left foot. Make sure that all your weight is now on your left foot, okay? Your arms should still be up, okay? And they should still be straight. Next, with your right foot, you're going to kick up as high as you can while keeping your right heel down, okay? Your back straight and your arms are still up, okay? So once you have done one jazz walk or one jazz step, you're going to kick up as high as you can and down. You're also going to shift your weight to that next leg. So when you're kicking, you want to make sure that your feet are always pointed and that when you place your foot down, it's always toe, ball, heel. Okay? So always toe, ball, heel. We are not the marching band that does heel, ball, toe. Okay? So we do toe, ball, heel. Now keep in mind that your feet should always be pointing at the 45s, no matter if you're kicking or you're jazz stepping, okay? So your kicks throughout this don't have to be high whatsoever. Now when you saw me kick, I kind of bent my knee a little bit, right? So you do not want that to happen. Your posture should be good, your back should be straight, and your knees shouldn't bend, and your foot should always be on the floor. You never go onto your platforms, your other foot. Now, after you have kicked, you're going to place your foot down. You're going to move all your weight to that foot, okay? That's going to move all your weight to that right leg, So now after you shifted all your weight to the right leg, you're going to kick with your left leg now. And now you're going to shift all your weight to that leg. Now, after you have done those 2 kicks, you're going to be doing another kick, but your upper body is going to be turning left and you're still going to be kicking forward. Well, your upper body is going to turn to the left and you're kicking forward still, okay? So after you had just done your left kick, okay, you're going to swing your upper body and your leg to the left, like this. So now that you have done your kick and turned to the left, you're going to step down on your right foot. This is your right foot. You're going to step down and turn backwards. And your left leg is going to swing back and kick. Here, when you're swinging back and kick, your arms are going to come from the T-pose and they're going to go up. They're going to swing up, okay? So, it'll look like this. So after you just step to the side, step to the back. So now the whole saying for that whole routine is going to be like this. So for example, it's going to be 5, 6, 5, 6, open 7, 8, step, step to the side, step to the back. Step to the back and down. So now that you have to step to the back, you're going to turn very quickly on your right leg, on the platform of your right leg. So this part is going to be your platform. Basically, the bottom of your toes, and when you stand like this. Okay? So you're here on a step to the back. You're going to turn and step down. Okay? So your arms go from up here, from being up here, they're going to go down, back to the T-pose. Okay? So step to the back and step. Okay? It's going to be a little bit hard to do that, so you have to take it slow. Now after doing step to the back and step, you're shifting your weight again, and you're going to do the whole exercise again. But now that you're doing the whole exercise, you're stepping. You're going to do another step with your right foot. So you're going to step and step with your left foot. So you're doing 3 steps. So after step to the back, step, step, step. Okay? After step, 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 you end up on your left foot, and you're going to do the same thing again. So step, step to the side, step to the back, then step, 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 up. Okay? Because I am in a limited space for now, so there will be a video of me doing the routine, the Battement routine, all in its entirety. So the exercise in its entirety, one time, is like this. So you start here, you swap 5 and 6, 5, 6, open 7, 8, step, step to the side, step to the back, step, step, step. 5 and 6, 5, 6, open 7, 8, step, step to the side, step to the back, step, 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 step to the side, step to the back. And that is it for this video. If you need some clarification on some things, feel free to ask during the Zoom meetings. That was what the Zoom meetings are going to be for. Any clarification going over this and the other things that are the requirements, such as the dance, the chassés, and the jazz walks. Okay, so that is it for this video, and thank you. Bye.